We'll guide you through how to make project private in Asana. Quick disclaimer. You need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, double-click Google Chrome to open the browser on your computer. Once the browser is open, visit the Asana website and wait for the page to load completely. After the website has loaded, sign into your account using your login credentials. When you have successfully logged in, open the project that you want to make private. After entering the project, locate the project drop-down menu and click it to view additional project options. From the menu that appears, select Project Settings to open the settings page for the selected project. Once the project settings window opens, navigate to the Privacy tab and click it to access the privacy controls for the project. Inside the Privacy tab, locate the project access settings that determine who can view and interact with the project. Review the available access options and select Private to project members. This setting will restrict access so that only members who have been added to the project can view and work within it. After selecting the privacy option, review the privacy settings carefully to make sure the correct access level has been chosen. If the system displays a Save Changes button, click Save Changes to apply the updated privacy configuration. Wait for the update to be processed and applied to the project. Once the changes have been successfully saved, return to the main project page. From there, continue working within your workspace as needed. You can modify the current project or create another project if required. If you choose to create an additional project, complete the project setup and ensure it is configured according to your requirements. After that, insert a task inside the project so that work items can be organized and tracked effectively. Once the task has been added, continue editing the updated workspace according to your needs.